raindrops falling on the street. Every sound recalls your feet. Shadows linger, whispers stay. I still hear you call my name. Every tear becomes a line, written in the sands of time. And though the storm will fade away, your voice in me will always stay. Echoes in the rain, calling me again. Through the silence, through the pain, I can't hide, I can't escape. Echoes in the rain, love I can't replace. Empty windows, lights are gone. Still your melody lives on. Every drop against my skin feels like where we've once been. If the morning breaks too soon, I'll still chase the sound of you. In the rainfall I remain, listening for your name. Echoes in the rain, calling me again. Through the silence, through the pain. Even if the night decays, your voice will never fade away. Echoes in the rain, forever you remain. Forever